Aloha! We're in my lab now and I'm going to show you a couple of audio samples of what the Power Baby can do to your tone. It can go from clean to crunch. So what we have here is I got a bunch of loops recorded, a couple of tracks straight off the pickup. That comes into an overdrive clipper, which is just set to clean, and then into the Power Baby, which is going to be doing all the distortion for us today. That goes into an IR cab loader and then back into record. So this is all direct recording. You know, I wouldn't hear anything if it wasn't for the headphones here. So let's get started. Okay, this is about quarter volume clean. Turn it up to kind of edge of breakup. And full gain. This is all output stage breakup. Couple of different examples. Again, be clean, but I want you to hear what it sounds like broken up. Okay, now I'm going to plug in a speaker into Power Baby so now I can hear it in the room. If I wanted to practice without headphones, I could just listen here, and this is how loud it can get. Okay, that's 1/50th of a watt, but it's driving an 8-ohm speaker right here. Okay, so one last thing, one last little surprise for you here. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, buy one of these.